Christina said, wait. Christina said, you are going to want them all. Trust me. Okay. Christina came in here and made, I think I taught charting 111. The first time I taught it was an emergency session. I got a download from the universe saying, do an emergency session. Teach now. Don't wait until the scheduled date. Okay, I went ahead and did it. I taught it on a Wednesday. The very next day, Sister Christina made like over $1,000. Okay, so she know what she talking about. When she says you're going to want them all, she telling you what she know. Okay, she has made money on all of them. My guess is she can tell you herself. Okay, but you got somebody in here who is getting all the information. So yes. So anyway, that's why I get on here and I teach people basic things about the stock market. That way you don't ever have to say, I don't know anything about the market, or the market scares me, or it's not even for people that look like me. I don't want anybody saying that. I don't want anybody saying it's not for me. I don't know anybody. I don't want you saying that. Okay, because every Wednesday I come on here and I teach about the stock market, and we do it through games. We do it through trivia. Okay, so that way you can just come on here and just listen and learn. All right. And I've been doing this for a year, and I started in October of 2024. October of 2024. And I come on here and just teach for free so people can get it. Christina said, I did make, come on, Christina. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. I did make $1,100 the next day after the emergency session. That's deep, y'all. Understand me. Okay. Let me really break that down. She said $1,200 the following day. Girl, see, this is somebody who wants to change their life. Some people are like, I just want to step my toe in and kind of see what's going on, G-Force. Other people are like, I want to change my life, and I know this is going to get me there. Okay. But understand, the class was scheduled for, I think it was February. Let's say February. I don't know, when was the class scheduled? Was it January? It was January. So it was scheduled for like the last Saturday of January. Well, I got a download from the universe, and what I was told to do was teach an emergency session. I think it was the same day when I got the download, or maybe the very next day after that. Okay, cool. I sent everybody who had already registered, and I sent them a, hey, this is going to be an emergency session. I'm going to teach the first, I'm going to teach the class on Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday. Now, the class wasn't scheduled until the last week, the last Saturday of the month, January. And because the universe told me to teach it early, cool. I got on there and did what I call an emergency session, because it was an emergency. The universe told me to do it. And baby, somebody's life was changed within 2 days. She made $2,300 in 2 days after the emergency session.